Hi guys, two time like that, like guys.
Where you going?
Look who boy did he got now. Oh God,
Going in the garden.
you go in the garden.
You go and check the plants. He said you're going to check the plants. Okay. And you carry a shovel to dig.
Bailey tree. Bailey.
A bay leaf tree on top there.
Oh, this is a Bailey tree. Oh, this is a Bailey tree here. Yeah, Bailey here.
Hi, Zaid. Going in the garden to help Dada.
Look, he's a person. On top.
Going past him, yeah?
Yeah, this up here. Come.
Let's go.
And you go to that here. Yeah. You have a nice house there, right? Don't do it hard, eh? Take a minute. You can hold your feet to go down, boy.
They come down.
He wants him to come down. He digging stairs for us to walk up. See the little stairs to walk up this little slope to go up on top there.
Will it be a piece de take care on the dap, the cats and below that? What have you put in them that are rubbish there, boy? The cat can come down that.
Yeah, we're going to walk up. You tired?
Walk up.
Yeah, just now we'll walk. You can't walk for yourself. I have to hold you.
Is that okay? What? What? Yeah. Going up on.
Okay, guys, so we can't get the tip. Peace coming up because the climb was too steep and scary. And these avocado tree get really big.
All that is here. You walking up?
And we have to meet that shed on top there.
You afraid it?
So we have to walk up there.
Yes, you afraid it.
Okay, guys, so we finally reached the top. You can see the sea in the distance down there. It was a very steep climb. We are tired. And this is in the shed. See, it is already inside. Let's see. Bunk beds on top there. Chairs to sit. A bed. There's a watering can. Sink. And there's a hammock over here. Yeah? And this is the fireside outside here.
Good, good, eh, boy? Yeah, good, boy.
The plants over on that side there.
Did I care, baby? Nice.
And Zaid can't wait to go and dig. You want to dig?
Yeah.
Coconut tree right there. Ask Dada, what's that?
Good. Spray can. Yeah, nice.
Oh, that's to spray the plants.
Daddy, Daddy, how to did
It have two of it, yes. It have two.
house,
Two spray cans.
my
Yeah.
house,
Let me see the plants. Avocado plants, limes. The sun is just going down.
Oh, on that side. Oh.
It's very nice.
Oh, there,
It's starting to get a little dark.
oh.
And Zaid is already digging.
The window wet inside.
What's he digging?
digging all cattle.
You want to build a castle? Okay. And we forgot to bring water. So my throat is very dry after that long walk. This is the slope that we came up from. Between that bamboo patch there. And look at the houses. And the mountains. It's so beautiful. Very nice.
I knew that. I see my tango wonder where I is.
And this is the shed, what it looks like on the
Yeah,
side.
we reach up.
They there.
Yeah, we on top. We reach. Me and Anna and Jake
Tank.
and Bebe, three of us. Yeah, we go come back. Don't worry. We go come back.
It's so beautiful.
Where you home?
Very nice.
Oh, okay. I reach. We know reach here.
And no, I'm going further to check out.
All right up here.
Oh, and there's pimento peppers over there. I don't know if you guys can see the little red and green. Yeah, pimentos on top there. I'm walking. This is an avocado tree. It's very tall. Very nice. Hopefully it starts to bear this year. Lime tree.
Yeah.
This is lime trees.
Where are you? I said, no, you go under that.
Oh. Oh, I'm being attacked by this lime tree. The picker is choking me up.
So we could have go down better.
Limes.
That road over, so we could have walked there. Let's skip.
Lime.
You want them to start a bang. So this one down. Now this is a bang, but it's one thing that
Limes.
yeah, boy.
More pimento peppers there.
That short tree there.
And lots of flowers. And those flowers have pickers. Sticks up on your clothes when you pass by it. It is very, very annoying. And look at them. Look how beautiful. Oh, that lime picker is hard. Ow. Limes. Some more bush needs to cut. There are more limes down there. I'm not walking quite down there.
They are
And
plenty.
guys, this is Cameron Road down there. Let me zoom in. That is the back road down there. Wessels, the red building.
Yeah.
Hammock. How you feeling?
Feeling nice.
Feeling nice. You having fun?
Having fun. Too tight.
Wow, nice. You like the garden?
They have,
The
by you they have side.
You like the garden? Yeah?
garden with Dada.
Yeah, you go in the garden with Dada.
Feeling
Oops! Bounce up the bed. Oopsie.
Just be properly
See, like the hammock.
and bumped up.
Oopsie.
And bumped up.
You're bouncing up your boom boom. Your boom boom boom. Oopsie. Oopsie. You're bouncing the boom boom. You're bouncing the boom boom. Boop. Watch me. Watch the camera. Boop. Brought his shovel and his garbage truck. So he's digging dirt. You like this dirt? He likes to dig in the yard. Yes, plenty dirt for you to dig. Wow.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
have garbage truck.
Yeah. Yeah, you have a garbage truck. Yes, you bought that garbage truck when you went out with Mom today.
Go garden that there.
Yeah, over there.
The bean pants there.
Yeah, that is wet in the pants.
Talk.
It's got dirty. You'll wash it when we go home. Just wetting plants. He's helping Dada. You need to pull it back?
Green pulley car.
Okay, put it by the pipe.
Put it pipe.
Right.
Mommy.
Pulling it back.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Kapintara. Pull pump.
Oh, you helping Dad?
Mommy done. Water. Water. Yes.
You turn it on for yourself. Nice.
Mommy done it. This.
Nice.
Mommy
Hold it.
kapintara.
You have to walk down now. Walk down. Take your time. Whoops. Watch where you put in your foot. Right, wet. Wet right there. Nice, good job. Walk down a little more. Walk down.
Come down here, come down a little more.
Walk down and wet the rest down there. Pass. Go ahead. Walk down, walk. Yeah. Go. The branch on your head. Alright, go ahead. Nice.
The wet plenty, man.
True. That's all the water?
It's done.
Mommy, get more water.
Okay.
You want no
Pass.
Fast.
Put the can here.
Put pan here. Mommy.
Yeah. You want to turn the pipe for yourself. Okay. You want to turn the pipe and fill the can for yourself. Right, close it off now. You can't fill it too much because you can't lift it up. Close. Next way. Turn the other way. Yeah, turn. This way. Right, that's good now. It's too much? You can hold it? Put your foot down. Right. Take your time. Go down. Go down again. Down there. Walk.
You walk down. While you wet, you walk. Walk down while you wet. Walk. Yeah, just go finish. Next
Right.
thing.
Look, this one here. This one in the end.
That one let's see this also. Everybody see?
Good job. Waiting on Dad to come back for us. So we can go down the hill. Yeah. See, it is afraid he will fall down.
Want go home.
You ready to go home because you're thirsty?
Want go home.
Mom forgot your bottle of water. Say down, Mom. Say hello.
Hello.
Hold on tight. Put your hands around my neck. Nice. So I have to hold you to go down. Okay. How are we doing this? Hold on tightly because you can fall. Hold on. Okay, just now. Oops, you put your head. Stop. We are going down. Trying to make it. Trying to be superheroes here. Put a little boy on my back. Focus. Right. To watch your bamboo patch here. Top. We're going to try pigeon peas, green. It's way too young. It's small. Let's see if Zado try it. Here's Eddie. Try peas. This. How does it taste?
No.
You don't like it? Okay, spit it out.
Thanks for the bye. kayo.